Oh, you're going that way.
It won't run at all.
Okay.
I'll let you do what you do. You probably want it neutral and all that. I told him it was a heavy one, 9,000 something pounds.
Okay. Hey, just paperwork.
Chris.
Just paperwork I got to put on. Put on
okay.
my paperwork.
We're getting it out of here.
How's it going, bud? Shop still doing okay?
Oh, always. Finally getting her out of here.
This guy figured out what was wrong with it.
What's wrong with it?
Oh, fuck.
Yeah,
Uh-oh,
everything.
that's bad.
Yeah.
Well, he had it towed over here
Uh-huh.
because it wouldn't start.
Right.
Well, I got underneath and started beating on the fucking tank, and the tank's empty.
Yet the gauge showed
Showed a quarter of a fucking tank, but
yeah.
the tank was fucking empty. I mean,
Right.
it was hollow.
Oh, no.
So we put diesel fuel in it, and we ethered it, you know, to prime it to get it to start. As soon as that fucker turned over and it actually cranked. The one of the pulleys locked up, and it snapped the fucking belt tension.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, pop your hood.
Well, that dang sure ain't no good.
I mean, Jason barely got out of the way before it hit him in the fucking head.
Oh, shit. Got it good, didn't it?
Where'd your pulley?
I put it on the...
It's all
it's
good.
in your truck.
It broke it off. Here it is.
How's Mike's wife doing, bud?
Nah, she's done good.
She's getting better now.
Look at that belt tension pulley.
Snapped it plumb off, didn't it?
Literally, Jason jumped out of the fucking way when it came flying out.
Dang.
It barely fucking missed him. It almost hit him in the fucking head.
Man, that would have hurt.
That would have hurt real bad.
I ain't never seen it do that.
Wow.
I mean, as soon as it fucking cranked over, that thing went BAM!
But that had nothing to do with
Ethernet.
Ethernet.
Fucking hit the hood, huh?
That had nothing to do with Ethernet.
No. No, that pulley had nothing to do with us.
The compressor seized up on the AC, and that gave this thing a
that's
kick.
That's what we think is the AC compressor seized up, and
So this truck's having some
snapped
serious
everything.
problems.
Oh, this whole thing's been... I tell you.
That's what we were talking about on the way over here. You buy these Dodge trucks with these diesels in them. They're all right trucks, but they're not good.
The rest of it's crap, including transmissions.
But if you get a hold of one of them commercial trucks I drive, it's got that Allison transmission in it, we're going to yank some homes down.
Oh, that's some shit and get my mother's in there.
I'd like to get the boss to put the kid on it so we can super up, make her go, but he won't do her because he knows we'll be acting stupid.
Oh, yeah. That'd be ticket time.
Real quick. All right, let me get loaded here.
Well, I mean, hopefully you can get her fixed.
Yeah.
Get her back on the road.
Well, it looks like that you wanted to go down to 4130 West Kearney Street.
Springfield, Missouri.
Springfield?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you throwing it way down there.
Yeah.
Let me see how many miles that actually is.
151. They told me AAA.
Oh, did it?
And I got the 200 up.
Yep,
to
so I should cover it.
Uh-huh.
Yep. All right, well, I'll get it loaded.
All right.
Thank you now.
I'll just ride with you back to McDonald's.
I got you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, bud. Well, I picked that Dodge truck up in Grandview, Missouri, and I brought it all the way down to Springfield. 155 miles. Down here to this guy's property that he owns. Pretty good hike down here. He's gonna have fun with that truck though. It's got fuel pump problems, and the adjuster pulley on the serpentine belt is bad. He's gonna have some fun. Thank you. You know what to do. Like and subscribe. I need all your help.